Well, hey there folks, Mike from Just Car People Things. I had a chance today to take this super cool Subaru Crosstrek out for a quick ride. 2.5 liter, 182 horsepower, about the same amount of torque. CVT, it's even got a cooler for the CVT, might make it last a little longer. It's got all the wilderness and off-road trim. Kind of reminds me of the old Outbacks a little bit. It's on this great set of Geolander, Yoko all-terrains, and just had the opportunity to take a little bit of a spin out here and check out Hollyoaks ORV Park, which is always a great time. So things I'll tell you about it. Comfortable. 29 miles a gallon on the highway, does decent on fuel despite having over 9 inches of ground clearance. It's got solid brakes, drives well. They've fixed many of the things that I truly hate about the EyeSight system. It's got good storage space inside, if I can get this to open. So we've got nice back here. I'm 6 feet tall. I was sitting in the back seat for a period. I can easily fit in the back with the person in front of me having some level of comfort. But, you know, comes with some cool Subaru options, around $35,000. Just a quick drive and review. If you're looking for something that can kind of do a little bit of everything, not break the bank, just to show you here, jump in. Plenty of room. I'm 6 feet tall. I have a 32-inch pant inseam. So, you know, to look at that and then be able to take me and then go sit in the front. Like the seating material too, by the way. This is kind of a cool vinyl type seating material. It's got a nice patterning to it. But again, plenty of room up here to be able to sit. So you could easily fit, you know, 4 6 feet tall people in this car and be able to drive it comfortably. Like a lot of the trims in it, it's definitely kind of a next generation trim setting. It's got seat heater, all that good stuff. You've got a traditional cigarette lighter port up here for power, in addition to some USB stuff and a wireless charging pad. You've got 3 amp micro USB, 2.4 amp regular, big infotainment screen, not a lot of physical buttons. That's one thing I'll mention about this car that I wasn't in love with when I was in it. There's not physical buttons to do everything you want to do. So that said, I think it's a cool vehicle, nice sunroof, something that if you're looking to not break the bank, you know, $30,000 to $35,000, be able to have some level of being a soft roader, be able to get out there. It's never going to be the equal of a true full-size, you know, SUV with a true 4-low and locking differentials and all that other stuff. But the subsystems in it, pretty impressive. It's got a deep snow mud setting that could claw you seemingly out of just about anything. And you got some fun recovery points here hiding behind these gaudy gold accents. They're anodized copper as the color, but gaudy gold seems a little more appropriate. We'll jump in. Get the Subaru Wilderness logo. Starlink, all the onboard, that of course has CarPlay and all the other features. I agree to not be super foolish. It's got all your off-road stats here, kind of fun to play with. A snow and dirt mode, a deep snow mud mode, a normal mode, all that good stuff. Take you home and check everything out here. But solid vehicle overall. Not a bad vehicle for $35,000. So I love this too, because here we've got the Topher out bombing around on the off-road track here in his Rally BRZ. I love it. That being said, this is a quick walk around. We'll throw some additional video content in here about kind of going through the ups and the downs a little bit. Having some fun out here in the ORV park. You're close, but you got about 2 inches. Clear. Clear. Stay on it. And wanted to say thanks for tuning in, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking. We always appreciate when you guys come out and check out cool stuff like this and get to see all the dumb things we get to do with a car like this.